Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this short Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can change somebody's clothes, the colour, in Photoshop in a matter of seconds. So we're going to start off by selecting our image and we're going to right click on our layer and select Convert to Smart Object. From there we're going to head over to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. This will bring up the Camera Raw dialog box. From there we want to select the masking icon, which is this one here. And then it will bring up people and we're going to select person. And then it will bring up various options we can check if we want for items that we want to mask. So we're going to choose clothes, select create. And then from there we can change the hue, values, and this will change the color, or we can change the temperature or the tint. So we'll change it to be yellow and select OK. There you go. So that's how you can quickly change clothes colors in Photoshop in a matter of seconds. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Photoshop for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.